Pretty sure some of y'all would want to know why I haven't really been uploading. See all that reflection? Oh, shoot, you wouldn't be able to get a good view from here. Ah. And, oh, there you go. You see that? That's icicles. We are in an ice storm. It's an extremely severe storm where a bunch of rain falls down and on contact with the ground. And just a couple seconds after it comes in contact with the ground, it freezes and creates a thick sheet of ice. There. You can kind of see like icicles on the tree branches right there. And here's where it's even worse. The cut was necessary because look at icicles. Yes, it might look fun at first, but the power can very easily go out. And this is just the start of the storm. And we've got poor birds on the ground. That poor bird on the ground. See? Running around, there. And he's trying to get food, but the thing is covered in ice. So they can't get food, they have to go on the ground. They're really messy when it comes to eating out of the feeder, so they go on the ground instead after a little bit. Just hope we make it out of this without our power going out. Wish us luck.